In this video, I'll show you a fun way to practice writing without just using your traditional pencil and paper. For this one, you'll need a tray, some sand, and an unsharpened pencil. First, you'll spread a thin layer of sand inside the tray. We added glitter and some cocoa powder to this sand. That way it made it more of a sensory experience. You get the shiny glitter as well as the smell of the cocoa powder. You can use your pencil sideways to flatten it out and smooth it out before you write. Then you take the eraser end of your unsharpened pencil and start writing your words. You can practice your name, you can practice vocabulary, anything you'd like. Make it fun. You can take the side of the pencil and erase the words you've written so that you can write all over again. You could also draw. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks.